So previously we are like just select and deselect. This is kind of boring. We want to actually do something to that object. So what about, you know, we are going to do a virtual of every person who learn Blender. What we're going to do is to delete the default cube. Okay, you will see this a lot. Previously, I think it's because this cube is linked to some of the object data, and they don't want to mess up with the data, so they will just delete the default cube. And then I believe it should just become a like inside joke of learn Blender is to delete the cube and create a new cube. But you know what? Let's learn about delete. So of course, you can use the normal method, but by select or click or box selection or even say lasso selection, right? You use the L lasso selection, like here, right? Lasso selection, and then you know what, you use select, and then you can delete. You can right click, and then you delete. But I always never use the right click method, because when I select this. Let me just get the box selection here. When I select this, I just using the X, and then it will be deleted. Delete, yeah, delete. Okay, let's try this again. So for example, box select, X, delete, yeah, you can just press enter key. It will also delete things. So for example, I can't find a light here, but I want to delete everything. So you know what? A, automatically find the rest, because that's the only object that's currently there. And then you know what, X, and then enter, delete everything. So that's a very quick way, and then you can sort of feel how powerful and how closely related to the keyboard. Every movement is very shortcut dependent. So don't worry. If you're just getting started, you will get confused by all these kind of shortcuts, but it will make sense and it become a muscle memory and become intuitive. So yeah, that's X for delete. It's like, come on, I don't want it. I cross things out. So that's X and for delete for you.